Hello class, and today I am going to teach you computer class 6 chapter number 5, and this is the third part of this chapter, and name of the chapter is presentation visual effects. Let's start. Using action buttons. Action buttons are used to link a web page, email address, file and slides in the same presentation or any other presentation. This can be done using hyperlinks and action buttons. Action buttons are built-in shapes which you can add in your presentation to link another slides or to play a sound or to perform any other action. You can also assign actions to clip art, pictures or the text in the smart art graphics. When one clicks on the hovers the mouse point over the button, the selected action will occur. Open an exiting presentation and click on insert, select the shapes. From there you can select action buttons and you can select the option and action button according to your choice. After that, click and drag the mouse diagonally. As soon as the mouse button is released, the action button dialog box will appear containing two tabs as it is shown here, mouse click and mouse over. So by default it is mouse click activated, and it means that when you will click a mouse on the action button, the action will perform. And mouse over, when you will take your mouse over it, action button, over your action button, it will perform action. So, and you can link other files also, and you can add as well as play sound, meaning you can add any kind of sound. When the action will perform, the sound will play. And click OK and press F5 key, and then you can use your action buttons. Let us do practically. So insert shapes. I have already added few action buttons, so I am adding more for you. Document. Suppose I am adding document here, this button, and I am hyperlinking this hyperlink to other file and essay on computer or software its tabs, software and its tabs. Okay, and play sound. I am playing sound. Wind. This. So it is very easy to do, perform using shapes, action buttons, any of the action button, and we will, after clicking on that, it will show you like this, mouse click and mouse over. In this hyperlink, link it to any of the slide and then play sound and click on OK. So I am deleting this. I have already added. Now press slideshow and from slideshow from beginning, or you can use F5 also. As you will click on this document like this. So we linked this document. Second, next, I have added already these action buttons. Next, again next, and this is end of the presentation. So these are the action buttons we can add in our presentation. Now, secondly, importing data from Word. PowerPoint provides you facility to import data from Word, Excel, etc. You can use in your presentation. Importing data saves your times and efforts, and follow the given steps to import data from the Word file. Click on Start All Programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Word 2010. Select View tab and click on the outline button in the Documents View group. As it is shown in 5.10, this diagram, just type all the text which is given over here. Now go back to your print layout view and select it as the heading 1, heading 2, heading 2, then again examples heading 1, and heading 2, this heading 3, then like this. So then you can, after that you can select it as headings and main headings, and after that you can save your MS Word file, and then click on view slide sorter view, and just you can insert your Word file in your presentation as a slide. Let's do start Microsoft Word 2010, and I already done it for you. Software and its steps. So first of all, view, outline, and this. So type all these things given over here, then select it as a, close this and select it as heading 1, then this one heading 2, this one again heading 1, this one heading 1, again these both heading 2, then this heading 1, then this heading 2, and this one heading 3, again heading 1 and heading 3. So this is how, and we saved the file. Now how to insert? Click on home, new slide, slides from outline and software its tabs, and insert, and you can see 3 new slides are inserted in your presentation. So this is the way how you can insert slides or import data from your Word. Viewing a presentation. You can view your presentation in different formats such as normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, page view, reading view, and slideshow view. Most of the buttons are available in the presentation group on the view tab. By default, a user always works in normal view. It is the main editing view which is used to create and design a presentation. In this you can add graphics, sound, animation, other effects to your slide as well. You can also have a large view of individual slides in the slide pane, notes pane at the bottom, and outline of the slide text in outline tab, and slides displayed thumbnails in the slides tab, all at the same time. So this is normal view, this where we create the presentation. Here you get slides pane, outline pane also you get to work with the text, and you get all the things here. Scroll bar is here, for notes it is here given here, so you can add notes, and many things are given here. And then next, outline view is used to work with the text. As you will click on outline view, all the text will appear, the slides with the text, and you can work with your text very fast. So click here, click on view and outline this one, and you can work with the text. All text is shown over here. Then comes slide sorter. It shows you the miniature form of all the slides in a presentation, means all slides in a small size. It is used to insert and delete the slides, and you can add transition effects, and you can set the timing also. So let's see presentation, click on slide sorter. So you can see all the slides in a miniature form, in a small form. Notes page view. If you want to add notes while working in normal view, you can see then in notes page view, it displays the image of the selected slide along with the notes related to that slide. These notes are helpful while showing the presentation. So suppose I am making presentation, let me add notes types. Okay, now when I will click on notes page view, I can see the notes is displayed over here, types. So it is used to see the notes while showing a presentation. And next is reading view. Using this view, you can view your presentation as slideshow fits the window. You will use this view when you run your presentation on your computer and do not want to show it to your audience, so your audience cannot see it. So reading view, so you can see. And then last there is slideshow view, and this view is used to deliver presentation to the audience. It displays the slide in a sequence in the full screen mode. Okay, so just when you want to show your presentation to your audience, use this. So this is the way how we use these view buttons. So today we learned around 3 things. First, we learned about action buttons, how to use action buttons to link file. Second, how to input data from Word, means just click on outline view and just make a document and then import it from outline view in a presentation. And third, the types of view in a presentation. So there is normal view, then outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view, and slideshow view. And the slide master is there, so I will cover this in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, have a nice day. And if you have any doubt or query regarding this chapter, you can ask in my period when I teach you. Just you ask that time. Okay, so take care, bye bye.